Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna make a beautiful door hanging by using waste cardboard. So I'm cut the cardboard in a square shape, then mix the clay gently and roll it. After that I'm adding the clay on board according to the design. Before dry the clay, I'm adding some design on it. And in this process, I'm completed the whole clay work. Now it's time to color on it. First I'm applying gesso. Then I'm gonna using here the lavender color. Mixing the purple and white color, you will get a stunning lavender color. For the other part, I'm using the purple and the mustard color. Now I'm starting the mirror work. Secure the mirror with glue as you want. Finally, I'm gonna add here the tassel. For making the tassel, you need any kind of cotton cord. Follow the process how I'm doing it. For more vibrant, I'm adding some colorful balls. It's totally depends on you. I'm using the added clay for making the colorful balls. And last, for not the least, you have to hang the tassel on the Lippan. And your beautiful door hanging will be done with this process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment. To get more beautiful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay always happy. Goodbye.